Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to log into your HyperWallet account. To log into HyperWallet, open up a web browser of your choice. Now, go to the URL box and type in pay.hyperwallet.com and search. This will now take you to the official website for HyperWallet. Go ahead and get to the sign-in page on the right-hand corner and type in your email address followed by your account's password. Enter your valid email address associated with your HyperWallet account. Now go to the next field and type in your account's password. In case you don't remember your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link and follow through the instructions. And doing this, you should be able to sign into HyperWallet, a PayPal service. So that's how it's done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.